Hi, welcome or welcome back to my channel. We're outside today. We're doing the exterior of this house for this video, adding windows and doors firstly. There will be no windows on the side as the house will be touching other houses. It's a row house or a terrace house. We're doing large arched windows. Most of them will be large, minus the ones for the bathrooms and the kitchen. Speaking of the kitchen, this video will be split into 3 parts because I don't want to force you to watch a 40-minute video of me designing this entire house. So this video will only be the outside. The next one will be the first floor, and the following one will be the second floor with the bedrooms and the bathrooms. So bear with me. We're doing a very pretty muted green on all of the exterior and a very light shade of green, a much lighter shade for all the trim work. I really wanted this house to be very colorful, as you will see in the next video when I do the inside. I'm using a lot of colors because I'm trying to be more open to colorful designs. I'm very neutral normally, but I really wanted to try and make something that is a little bit more out of my comfort zone. I'm really trying to bring some of that colorfulness on the outside along with this green by adding window boxes filled with colorful flowers, which you'll see as the video goes on. Moving on now to the driveway, which is really short as the house is right on the street. And the stepstone pathway made up of many different sized stones to maintain that touch of whimsy that I'd like to keep going throughout. I added a pergola to the back patio for both shade and aesthetics. And I'm now adding some comfy outdoor furniture in many colors. I'll just be continuing with the colorful furniture, some things to put your drinks on, a nice comfy chair, and a coffee table, and a small grill, just to fill up the space and add the colors on the outside before moving on to the landscaping. I really want this house to look happy, you know? I'm adding flowers to the window boxes first. Honestly, I don't even know if these are flowers that can live in window boxes, but they look pretty. And then I'll be lining the fences with shrubs and adding some grass in the tree for some shade in the backyard. And I think that's it for around here. I'm moving on to the front yard where I'll be adding the same shrubs to line the front of the yard and a few little small flowers along the pathway just to bring that lush environment to the front of the yard as well. I spent a good 20 minutes trying to add these houses to the sides and ended up not using them because they're too old. They don't fit with the house in the middle. I ended up removing them and adding more modern houses. I also went back to Cheap Architect to extend the back patio a little. As I'm sure you saw when I was adding the furniture that I let some things hang off the edge. That's because I know I'd go back and edit to add a little more space there so the patio is a little bigger. Then I went on to adding some vines crawling up the back and the front of the house. I really wanted that from the very beginning when I decided I wanted to do this house. I feel like I did this entire house because I wanted to add the vines. The last thing I'm adding is the lights for the outside. And then we're done. This is the full video for today. Next week, you'll see the inside, the first floor. I hope you enjoy, and I'll see you next time. Bye!